Okay, so yeah, I didn't really make a video last week, and yeah, I don't remember what I was doing last week Saturday. Probably looking at apartments, most likely, or babysitting. No, I'm pretty sure I was babysitting. Which one am I not babysitting? So awesome. I don't know what to do in this video, so I'm gonna show you my Harry Potter DVDs because they're cool. Okay, so they came in this little box, which is like Harry's like trunk thing for school. It's pretty cool. And then I got like these cute little cases. This is like a bonus DVD and it has like interviews and stuff on it. Sweet. Yeah, and then I got 1, 2, 3, which is my favorite case. I like this case. It's pretty. And then 4, 5. And then I got like this little game thing, which technically I now have 2 of, but it's really fun. You play like Quidditch and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, we applied at for an apartment today, so hopefully we can get approved for that, and hopefully in like 3 weeks or so we'll be moving in. And then I probably will make videos more often because I won't have to wait until my parents aren't here or until everybody goes to sleep to make videos. So that'll be cool. I'll actually have time to make videos, which would be really nice. I don't really know what to talk about in this video, like at all. I got awesome bookmarks. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, pretty awesome. Yeah, I don't know what else to talk about in this video. It's pretty awesome, not gonna lie. Go back in here, thank you. I got Twilight Journals today. Pretty cool. Came in this pretty little tin. Got that from Amazon. Can't open, oops. This isn't really a Twilight channel, but hey. Journals with the covers on them. And clips. And breaking down. And they say like little quotes and stuff in them. I don't know if you can actually read that or not. But yeah. Pretty awesome. I probably won't use them. And I have another one coming, so that's cool. Yeah, that was stupid planning on my part because I ordered Brand Hambrick, and then I ordered another one for my birthday, not thinking about it. filling out an application for a kitty though. That's pretty exciting. She's really cute. Her name is Willow, but I'm gonna change her name because I'm gonna change it to Bellatrix because I like Bellatrix. She's pretty awesome. Yeah. Go now. I've done Pepper. Only it's Dr. Pop because I got it from Save-A-Lot and it was only 99 cents. Yeah, so my brother just IM'd me on Facebook, so I'm gonna go talk to him because I haven't talked to him in a while. He's not my real brother, but it's way too long to explain at this moment, so I'll explain it some other time. Yeah, so I will talk to everyone later.